Hello guys, and now after we'll do this we can to enter this and to edit not edit, cut it. Okay. And what we'll do now this and we'll take this what L what L why L didn't works faster. Okay. Now L, yes. And now after that I do this and I take this to here and do this. Take this to here and take this to here and take this to this to here and this to here. This to here, and now and this correct and this correct. Now what I want to do now, I want to glue it to here and we're about to change this sign and if and do this here and now this to here. Okay, then we are going to finish the table. And now I am going to take this and shift up, shift out, control shift alt, right, shift alt, and now shift 3 and you not X and vex. Now what I want to do with this, I want to take this to here. And take it this. going to see. Fazemos um pouquinho de ar. And this what that we want, and go on. Now it and this and another. Okay, then we want to do this long and long time ago. I do this and this and do this and do this. Oh, it's so good. And this the way. And now, and what that I want to do, I want to do that this okay, I got it. Then what that I want, and I start with this. Okay. So what did I do now? I do this and I want and now what I want to do, I want to do this and this. Now what did I do? I take this and it's going and it is going to blow to not blow to I don't to disappear. Bam. And now not what I want, but close. Not close. Near 1 and 1. Now get see not this more to here and smooth and now it's very close, okay? Yeah.